Hi guys, my name is Tatenda Nyakuchipa, your biology teacher. Today we are going to talk about nutrition in animals. We are focusing on absorption. So we are going to start by defining absorption. What is absorption? Absorption is the process by which nutrients from the digested food are taken into the blood streams. After food is broken down in the stomach, it moves to small intestines where most of the nutrients are being absorbed. Nutrients are absorbed so that they can be used by the body for energy, repair, and for growth. The nutrients that are being absorbed are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Where does absorption takes place? Absorption of nutrients takes place in the small intestines. Absorption of nutrients happens in the small intestine. There is also absorption that takes place in the stomach and in the large intestine. We'll talk about this later. Stomach absorption. Water is absorbed in the stomach, which help to reduce dehydration and the formation of blood. Electrolytes such as sodium and potassium from the ingested food is absorbed from the stomach. There is vitamin B12 which is being absorbed from the stomach, which is essential for the production of red blood cells. We all know red blood cells, okay? Absorption in the small intestines. Most of the nutrients are absorbed in the small intestines. For example, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. All nutrients are being absorbed in the small intestines. We're going to start about carbohydrates. When we eat our bread, all the food that contains carbohydrates in it are broken down by the enzyme amylase into simple sugars, primarily glucose, which is then absorbed through the intestinal walls and into the bloodstream using facilitated diffusion. You can see these types of food, they contains carbohydrates. There is bread, rice, potatoes. Proteins are broken down into amino acids by enzymes such as pepsin and trypsin. They are absorbed by intestine walls through a process called active transport. They will be used to repair tissues. We all know that proteins, they are used to repair tissues. Examples, this picture shows examples of food which contains proteins. Fats are broken down to fat acids and glycerol by enzyme lipase. They are absorbed into lymphatic system before entering the bloodstreams. The small intestine absorbs fats such as fat acids and glycerol through process called passive diffusion. Ice cream is an example of fats that I have used in this video. Vitamin and minerals. Vitamin A, D, E, K are absorbed along with dietary fats. Soluble vitamins like vitamin B and C are absorbed directly into bloodstreams. Minerals such as calcium, potassium, and ions are also absorbed into bloodstreams for different purposes. Water is absorbed into body to help in the formation of solid waste. It is water that is used used in the formation of solid waste. Absorption of water also takes place in stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Absorption of water, it happens in stomach, in small intestine, and even in large intestine. Water is always being absorbed. If the large intestine absorbs too much water, it can lead to constipation. I know all of us have experienced constipation. That constipation, it happens due to too much absorption of water in the large intestine. And if it absorbs too little, it leads to diarrhea. If absorption of water does not take place properly, that is when you have diarrhea. Let me define facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion is the movement of substance across the cell membrane assisted by carrier or channel protein. Active transport. Active transport is the movement of substance across the cell membrane required energy to pump the substance against their concentration gradient. Passive diffusion is the movement of substance from the area of high concentration to an area of low concentration without the need for energy. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Thank you. I hope you have learned a lot from my video. Goodbye.